Sharing of facility. When we talk about having mutual cooperation and support between the school, community, and the parents, we also talk about sharing of facilities. Now, this may be interpreted differently by the school and the community. How are they going to use and share facilities? Everything has to be made clear, as the interpretations could be different for different people. For example, the students may misunderstand that they can use the community facilities whenever they want, or the community members can misunderstand that they can make use of the school facilities whenever they want to do that. However, there has to be a timetable to be followed when can each party use the facilities of the others or share those facilities. Along with that, school standards and expectations to be upheld by the community members while using the school premises in its facilities. It should not be a practice that if the community members are using the school premises for some event, that they just destroy the things that are present, even if it is the furniture, the chairs, the table, or drinking water facilities. Anything of that kind has to be taken care of by the community members. And all things should be handed over properly in a correct order to the school staff so that they know that there was no harm done to any of the school equipment. Also, any destruction caused due to some reason or the other may be noted and paid for by the community members to the school. And also, if the school is using the community hall or the community center to perform certain events that they need to do in that particular premises, the same policy applies to them as well. They must see that the students have left the premises clean and tidy with everything in its place. But along with this, all these things must be written down and they must be discussed in meetings, and so a policy has to be made in order to follow and take care of all the utilities and all the equipment in the school or the community center. The school standards must be kept in view. There are certain school standards which the schools need to exercise and maintain in the school. The community members should be aware of it. Along with that, the parents and the students need to protect and take care of those school standards. Everything that is to be done has to be in writing. And the best thing is that if all those policies and rules are exhibited on the notice boards in the school, and also the pamphlets and small booklets are distributed in the community to make sure that everybody knows that the school property has to be taken care of and it is not to be damaged. Similarly, the community property should also have the same rules and regulations. The members of the community should make it a point that they make aware all the students, parents, and the community members and also the school staff that what are the standards of their things and property in the community center and how are they to be taken care of. Similarly, as the school wants the property to be handed over to the school staff after the event, the community also wants that all the property of the community center should be handed over without any damage, and if in case there is some damage done to any of those things, then it has to be paid for and it has to be noted down. All the written record is very important, otherwise there is going to be a chaos that where have the things gone, and some of the things are disappearing in the record, and that may cause a big hassle for the people who are working in the organization, in the school, or even in the community as community leaders or community members. So everything that is being done in sharing has to be recorded in writing so that there is no problem in counting down the things and the furniture and other equipment in the school or the community to be taken care of.